we bought a Harbor Freight 20-ton press. Let's see if it's worth anything. Here's what it comes with. A couple plates, sides, top, bottom, cross members, and some bolts. So 20-pound bottle jack and all the springs and the working arm. So let's get it rolling here. Give her the good and tight. That's an official torque spec, if you're wondering. So as you can see behind me, doing my wife's front bearing and hub assembly change. And you can do this without a press, but in the last 2 or 3 months, I've done like 4 or 5 things at the house with a press or bearings, and I've just needed a press. And so this might be one of those things. I use this just to do the wife's car, and then it sits there for 10 years, but hopefully not. We are going to bleed the jack real quick and just make sure that's all up to snuff, but for the most part, we're good to go. Full tour here of the finished product. As you can see, just put a shim in there for the time being, but we need to get this working. Before we put an actual load on it, wanted to see what the full extension of the actual jack was, because that's what I come to YouTube for, to see what the actual real life people are. So got a little bit less than 6 inches of actual travel, so I think that's going to do pretty much anything in my shop that I'm going to need. So I'll lower this back. Cool. Well, let's set up a bearing and see what happens. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Alright, so my overall take of this is it gets the job done. And for me, that's a perfect situation for what I need. So for shop press wise, I'm not a big industrial, metal worker. And so I'm just going to use this occasionally, and that's perfect for me. But if you're looking for a high precision industrial machine, this probably isn't for you. If you're looking for fine craftsmanship, sturdy, hard, probably not the unit for you. But for me, this is perfect. So a couple things I would upgrade though, just after using it for a little bit. Want to put some casters on it, and as of user air, definitely need to make some tweaks, putting this together, because I just did it quickly, didn't use a level or anything, but it's a little wonky, that's for sure. But for the other piece, I'm going to make this pneumatic just because I have an air compressor, so That way I don't have to do any hand pumping action. But for $200, I think this is the perfect shop press for any type of homeowner. If you wouldn't mind, comment down below how you like to use your shop press, what you use it for in your house, shop, and just give me any sort of tips that you have of how to use this thing. But overall, would I buy it again? Yeah, for sure I would. So, hope this video helped somebody. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.